398 species of parrot are subdivided into 3 superfamilies. They are the only birds that can eat with their feet. Some parrots can mimic human words. Parrots are smart and intelligent. They have the logic of a 4-year-old and can be angry, sad or happy. They make great companions and will most likely spend the rest of their lives with their mate unless they fail to reproduce or their partner dies. Parrots are social creatures that live in groups of about 20 to 30 birds. A parrot group is called a pandemonium, a baby parrot is called a chick, a male parrot is called a cock and female is called a hen. They have a lifespan up to 90 years. Parrots make a wide variety of sounds. Parrots are omnivores, which means they eat both meat and veg. The largest parrot's kakapo is 2 feet, weighs 9 pounds and cannot fly. It's illegal to keep parrots as pets in India. Parrots have very strong beaks. Hyacinth macaw can crack macadamia or coconuts. What else do you know about these birds? Write it in the comments.